people, welcome to another mind-blowing recipe. Today I want to show you how to make homemade donut for commercial purpose, for home consumption. If you're a kind of person that sells or wants to start a donut business, then you are in the right video. If you're a kind of person that is tired of buying donut across the counter, then this video is just for you. The reason why I said it's good for commercial purpose is that you're going to literally maximize profit with this particular donut recipe. If that sounds like something you are interested in, I encourage you to stay with me from the beginning to the end of this recipe because you're definitely going to be learning something new. If you are not new to my channel, you will know whenever I'm making any recipe that calls for yeast, right, I always prove my yeast. This is one step I do not take for granted. Now the first thing we're going to do is to prove our yeast, and it's so simple. Just get a bowl. I always love using this because it has its cover. You just cover it and keep it for 5 minutes, then you can proceed to using it. In my bowl, I'm going to measure in my yeast. Here I have 1.5 teaspoon of yeast. Then to this, you're going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. Another most important part, pay attention. Do not add hot water to your yeast. It's going to kill the yeast. So you're going to use warm water. You're going to cover it. I'll still just cover it with, it needs a dark place to proof, so I'll cover it with this kitchen towel just for 5 to 8 minutes. So while it is proofing, let's go ahead to mix all our dry ingredients right in here. For our dry ingredients, of course, the first thing is going to be our flour. So put in your flour right into the bowl. Another thing I love in my donuts is the nutmeg. Nutmeg, do not put too much. Nutmeg can do too much in your recipe, so you will not want that. 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg is just fine. So into this, we're adding 1/4 teaspoon. I'm adding in my salt now. All the measurements will be captured in the video or the description box. You guys should just check. Very soon, you people will be going to my website for well-detailed recipes. Then we'll give it a good mix. I'll set this aside. In a separate bowl, I'll mix in my wet ingredients, which include my egg, sugar, vanilla flavor. So we're using 1 large egg for this recipe. To this egg, I'm going to be adding in my sugar. I'll measure in my vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor. I'm going to be adding in my warm milk. Mind you, whether you're using water or you're using milk, let it be warm, not hot. At this point, our yeast has stayed for about 5 minutes. We're going to check it. This is the time you will know whether your yeast is active or inactive. So let's check it out, guys. Okay. I'll gently open. Whoa, can you see it's foamy? Meaning this yeast is active. So I'm going to turn this right here. I'm going to carry my dry ingredients, create a well at the center, then mix. You then transfer it to your workspace as well. Spare about 1/2 cup of flour, all-purpose flour, for the kneading. Once it forms a dough, you're going to add in your unsalted butter. I don't know what they told you, but a perfect kneading is the secret to a fluffy donut. Now I'm trying to fold in the butter into the dough. Once I am done, then I'll start the kneading proper. So this is the best way to properly knead your dough. and you're going to go on and on for 15 to 20 minutes if you are kneading it manually like I'm doing now. I've been doing this for the past 15 minutes, right? And at this point, this is well kneaded dough, right? You press it and it cannot wait to pop back, you know, it pops back almost immediately. That tells you that you have a well kneaded dough. Now we're going to allow this to rest for an hour. Just get a bowl, you know, then you spray oil all around. Cover this with either a cling film or a cover. Then of course with your kitchen towel. Keep it in a dark place for an hour until it doubles its size. Alright, beautiful people, it has doubled its size now, so go ahead to cut it out. For every dough, it's going to be 1/4 cup. Alright, beautiful people, can you see? I cover this and allow it to rest for about 30 minutes. Do not miss this step for anything in this world when you are making a fluffy donut. So let's go ahead to fry. We're going to be frying this on a very low heat as well. Make sure your oil is not too hot, else the outer part of your donut is going to brown, but the inside is still going to be as raw as anything. I'll give you the temperature that your cooking oil should be at before you start frying your donuts. I have it just where I want it to be, so I'm going to flip it. It's only going to be once. You don't flip and flip again. So I'm flipping this. Oh my god. I have the perfect color. So I have this just where I want it to be. While the donuts are still warm, not hot, it's the perfect time to dip it into your granulated sugar. You just dip in both sides, and this is what you have. Perfect set of donuts! You guys, I love this donut, but we are yet to taste it. Let's taste it. Let's have a bite. Woo! Just see how fluffy this donut is. Look at it. Look at it. Like, say it. Texture, check. Appearance, check. Taste, double check. Okay, my wonderful people, thank you so much for staying with me from the beginning to the very end of this recipe. You guys are the real MVP. I'm so excited that this donut came out looking all fluffy. If you have questions, please do want to ask me in the comment section. I'll be more than excited to reply every of your comments. If you are yet to subscribe to this amazing channel, I encourage you, please do subscribe. I would love to connect with you. And if you subscribe just now, let me know in the comment section so that I'll give you a shout out in my next recipe. I appreciate all my wonderful, amazing, positive vibers for all your support. Every of your comment means a lot, and I appreciate you. Thank you for taking out your time to pour the love on me. Thank you for encouraging me. Thank you for the support. God bless you, and I love you. I am definitely going to be seeing you guys in my next recipe. But until then, stay blessed, stay lifted, stay positive. I love you. God loves you. God bless you. Bye, guys.